To cut the sleeve now, I have 15 inches by 32.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is to bring this way separately. It's 2 pieces here. I'm going to sew from here. I will leave like 1 or 2 inches here, then I will continue the sewing from there. Here I have this one also. I'm going to place this one. I have 2 pieces. I'm going to place on the center like this, and I'm going to sew elastic on the back here. So this one is 4.5 inches by 19.5 inches, the short one. Then after sewing, I will bring the right side out. I'm done sewing. I'm going to bring the right side out from here. I have elastic here. It's 1 inch by 9 inches, 2 pieces. So what I'm going to do is to start from the center. You can see I iron the center. I will place on the center. I fold the elastic into 2. I will place on the center like this, and so from here to this place, I will make pleats here. I will make pleats here to start from here. I will do the same here and here.